So my favorite part about Bethel is the people and the traditions that come with campus. I feel like the people here are just so loving and welcoming and so encouraging too. You don't have to be at the top of your A game all the time. It's okay to have down points in your life, and they're gonna be right there to pick you up and help you through it. Probably one of my favorite traditions is Yoder, Midnight Carnival. It's just a great way to end the year and just something to do for fun. You can come, eat some cotton candy, or just talk with friends and then go back to your dorm and start studying for finals. When I started looking into nursing schools, I saw they had a 100% passing rate of the NCLEX, and that really stuck out to me because I'm not a good test taker. So I needed all the help I could get to pass that. One way that Bethel has impacted me, it's given me a lot of resources to grow spiritually, which has changed my personal life. I have a mentor here. We've been going through different books, and it just taught me a lot about practicing the way of Jesus and trying to be like him. I feel like I came in as a Christian, but I didn't have people to challenge me to read the Bible on my own or keep me accountable for what I'm doing. So I feel like it's changed my outlook on how I live my life and basing it more on God than myself, which is really difficult.